If you're an expert in any subject who needs to educate others and you want to do that in a more interesting and engaging way, or perhaps you're a trainer who is delivering workshops already but would like to improve your skills, or if you're somebody who wants to shift their career more into the direction of training and adult education, this is the program for you. At Train the Trainer, you will develop a deep understanding of adult learning process, and you will learn how to design and deliver impactful, engaging, interesting, inspiring learning experiences, from the shortest workshop to the most comprehensive learning program. My name is Mirna. I'm the founder of Trainers Toolbox and a trainer, speaker and a coach from Positive Psychology and Skills for Trainers. In this training, I bring together 12 years of experience in training, degree of applied positive psychology, with real-life experience of work in both corporate and entrepreneurial environments. I'm excited to share with you how Train the Train program at Trainers Toolbox looks like. First of all, it's a blended learning program. That means we work in 7 online modules and then have a live full weekend of learning physically together. In that way, we bring together the best of both worlds and we enable you as a trainer both in virtual environment and in physical training room. All modules are highly experiential. That means we build them on 3 foundations. First, we do a lot of practice. You will practice all the time, you will gain a lot of valuable feedback. Second, immediately trying out and experimenting with all of the practical tools, models and frameworks that you learn. And third, we enrich the learning with a lot of deep discussions, with a lot of exchange of perspectives, deep reflection processes, which will bring you a lot of new insights about learning and learning process, but also about yourself and about the way you relate with everyone else in your world. At the moment, we are delivering Train the Trainer in 3 locations: Zagreb, Amsterdam and Florence. But we're always looking into opening new ones, so do feel free to get in touch if you're looking for a similar program in your location. In each location, we work with a group of up to only 8 participants because we want to build experience that is truly customized and where we really follow your preferences and needs, and also where you get a lot of time to experiment and practice. If that sounds like a journey you want to take, check the details of the program on Train the Trainer portion of Trainers Toolbox website and let's talk.